Everyone, so I ordered this armrest center console for my Honda Fit 2010. So I just received it just like that, 2 boxes. Let's open. I purchased this one from eBay. Plastic. I don't have the center console in my car, so I ordered it. Alright, not bad. Nice packaging. It's very nice. Looks like leather. It's not a bad one for the price of $40. But it's pretty light. They gave me some screw. We have to screw to connect them right here, and then install it. Yeah, from here it should be. So let me install in my car and show you how it looks. Right, ready to install. Here are some of the instructions. So guys, I came to my car, and right here I'm gonna install it. As you can see, there's 2 holes and this has 2 holes. So let's just put it right here. I hope this fits. If not, it's gonna be ugly. So it went right in, guys. So I'm pretty much happy about this thing, center console, and I still have this space I can use. So what do you think? It's a good idea to use this. I kind of love it. Thank you guys. And if you don't have a center console, you're driving, you might kind of need one. It's convenient. Thank you so much.